Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel Naija News and Entertainment. I've got an interesting gist for you happening right now on the Ultimate Love Show. Theresa to Kachi. Rosie is acting like a mother. Hope you're not wasting your time on Ultimate Love. Really, I don't understand why Theresa said that. Ultimate Love is at the zenith of its anxiety as love pad is developing into a temple of hatred, as love guests are displaying their strategies of stepping on each other's toes. In a bid for the Ultimate Love reality show to be unique, the organizers asked the couples to nominate themselves in the open, which is provoking animosity, hatred, unhealthy rivalry, and tension. After the first official checkout that saw Michelle evicted on week 3, couples stepped up their plow and conspiracy theories against their threats. Aside the perceived rivalry between Prince David and Rosie, the week 4 nomination that took place immediately after Zenith were eliminated, and it saw two couples with the highest numbers. The result saw Bola has the highest scary number of 6, while Rosie closely followed with 4. While Chivia, Jello and Prince David had 2 each. Auntie saved Prince David, leaving the exercise for survival with Bola, Roxy, Jello, Chivia all for eviction. Bolanle, Arnold and Kachi took it upon themselves to question the fellow love guests in the love part to know what the problem was and how they can make up with their ultimate foes. But Theresa was able to shock Kachi with her reply. Theresa, 23, is an optometrist and one half of the Theresa pair, revealed to Kachi during his peace meeting Chidibanks and Theresa to ask why they nominated them. So during the conversation with Theresa, she said nothing, but Rosie, acting motherly role too much in the house, she ended up by saying, "I hope you didn't come to the show to waste your time with Rosie." It must be noted that Kachi and Theresa are from the same local government area of Imo State, southeast Nigeria. I don't understand why Theresa said that to Kachi, but I hope she didn't mean that, because I know she won't feel okay too if that was said to her about Ike. Just by seeing Ike ex-girlfriend come to the party last Friday, she was already shaking and scared, and now she has the guts to say that to someone else. Is she planning to break Kachi and Rosie relationship? Anyway, it won't work. No weapon fashioned against my favorite couple would work. Okay guys, what do you think about this Theresa reply to Kachi? And if you're new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when the story drop.